My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Today we have a lot of drop easy slides. We have Jordan 1 biohacks. So I actually got to apparently this first one that says payment declined. It went through because I got an email for it. I got one on Prism. 3. Tokyo's went live. Oh, I checked out something. A slipper. Oh, I got more. You basically double or triple your money depending on the size that you get, just because these are super duper cheap. First batch of biohacks came in the mail today. There are a number of Jordan 1s that are going to be restocking tomorrow. We'll see what ends up happening on the next episode. So I feel like that drop went pretty well. Here is the checkout breakdown. These are all GS size biohacks. So shout out to the bots and the proxy companies that allowed this to be possible. By the way, I am very surprised about where the state of ShoopPalace botting is right now. By now, I would think that there would be a lot of people botting ShoopPalace. There would be a lot of proxy providers that support the platform, and everybody would be competing with one another to try and get shoes from ShoopPalace. But that is not the case at all. There's not too much has changed ever since Palacebot went public and more bots started to support that platform. The reason is because ShoopPalace proxies are basically impossible to find. Even for people who are very knowledgeable of how to create proxies and people who have very deep connections have a lot of problems finding ShoopPalace proxies. So it's definitely not a platform that's very accessible to most people. If I had to take a guess, that even if you gave everybody a ShoopPalace bot for free, let's say, it would still be very difficult to bot the platform just because proxies are so scarce for it. By the way, another pair of biohacks came in the mail today. This one is from Foot Locker, size 5.5. Tomorrow we got some dunks dropping. No ShoopPalace this time. I'm pretty sure it's all just Shopify. So we'll see how we end up doing. Oh my god, yes! They got one on Kid. Boom. So I was able to cop the CPFM Air Forces a little bit earlier today. They did a shock drop. The resale price on that is pretty good, so I am happy about that cop. Anyways, the last scheduled drop for the Dunks is going to be in 30 minutes from H. Lorenzo. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting up. Hopefully we can get another one. Nothing yet. Oh, adding to cart. Wait, what? Oh, awaiting shipping. I'm so confused. Nothing is happening on my Cyber. Waiting for restock. Wait a minute. So apparently they loaded the variant before the link. I was running early links. Okay, so after everything is said and done, we were able to cop 2 shoes today. Really happy about that. Anyways, here are some of the stuff that came in today. We got the Jordan 1 Tokyos from Culture Kings. This one is a size 12. And we got some more biohacks that came in. So I was able to get a pair of New Balances a little bit earlier today. I do have to say I am feeling very comfortable with Shopify again. That New Balance release went super smoothly, so that's really dope. By the way, my cook group Notify started an Instagram page, so although we are restocking this month, membership spots are extremely limited, so the vast majority of people trying to join the group unfortunately won't be able to, just keeping it 100. But you can increase your chances if you follow our Twitter page at Notify and our newly created Instagram page at Notify Global, since we do plan on doing some membership giveaways on both platforms in the near future. Otherwise, thank you very much for staying till the very end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next episode.